So I'm going to work on cleaning this up. There's a crack in there, and there's a bunch of extra weld here from what looks like a previous repair. And I'm gonna fit this doubler gusset plate onto here. So I have these low-cost dental tools that are electric that I use to do some of this work for cleaning out cracks and minor cylinder porting and that kind of stuff. So I think I got the crack dug out pretty well. Weld the crack up first, and then put the reinforcement on. So we just got the bottom side of this crack done. I'll flip it over and hit the other side. Probably going to do a little bit of fill in here before I run the whole length of the weld. Well, dipping the tungsten's not ideal. Change that out. Yep, not ideal there. So we'll just put a freshly ground tungsten in there. I'll also cut the end of this filler off. Alright, I'm not the greatest welder in the world, but we got the crack welded back up and cleaned up. So now I'll go ahead and put the reinforcement on the frame. Now I have the reinforcement pieces welded to the chassis. Didn't turn out too bad. I don't weld so often, so it's not perfect, but it'll totally do the job. This is the other side. I kind of did this in shortish pieces. So I welded a little bit on each side, let the piece cool down, and then welded a little more. Went at it piece by piece, kind of like that, to try to minimize the amount of total heat that I put into the chassis at one time.